Are you ready to kick the butt of your financial future? In this video, we reveal 16 amazing machines that will help you start a profitable home business today. One of them is revolutionizing Europe and generating thousands of dollars every day. Do you want to know which one it is? Let's get started. Machine for making earrings and necklaces. Have you ever dreamed of designing unique jewelry from the comfort of your home? With this amazing machine, you can create earrings and necklaces that not only look stunning but also help you make money. For just about $150, you can get this compact and easy-to-use tool, perfect for unleashing your creativity. Basic materials like beads, threads, chains, and clasps are super affordable and easy to find. You can mix and match them to create modern, elegant, or fully customized pieces based on your customers' preferences. The best part? People are always looking for unique, one-of-a-kind jewelry. Start selling your designs at craft fairs, local markets, or even by partnering with small boutiques that love carrying original products. You can also create a catalog to share with neighbors and friends, offering personalized designs like initial necklaces or earrings with unique details that truly stand out. Leather engraving machine, wallets, keychains, purses. If you're passionate about fashion and accessories, this machine is perfect for you. With an initial investment of about $250, you can own a machine that engraves on leather, allowing you to personalize wallets, keychains, purses, and more, creating exclusive, high-demand products. The process is straightforward. Choose the design you want to engrave, whether it's a name, logo, or special phrase, and the machine will print it onto the leather with precision and quality. You can work with both natural and synthetic leather, offering unique items perfect for gifts, special events, or even as souvenirs. This type of business is great for selling in gift shops, at events like weddings, or at fairs for personalized products. You can also showcase your products on social media, sharing high-quality photos of your creations. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that each piece will have a personal touch, making your customers come back for more. Phone case printing machine. Customized phone cases are a growing trend, and with this machine, you can start designing them right from home. For an investment of around $200, this machine lets you print images, phrases, or unique designs on mobile phone cases. All you need are plain phone cases, ink, and a creative idea. The machine quickly and efficiently transfers the design onto the cases. This type of business has high demand, especially among young people looking to personalize their devices. You can sell the cases through social media, local markets, or in stores that specialize in accessories. You can also offer exclusive designs, such as cases with names, photos, or creative graphics, and soon, you'll have a loyal customer base who will love your products. Stuffed animal making machine. Creating custom stuffed animals is a charming and highly profitable business. With an investment of about $600, you can get a machine to make stuffed animals from the comfort of your home. This machine allows you to create stuffed animals in various shapes and sizes, perfect for gifts or personalized products. All you'll need are soft fabrics, stuffing, and a few accessories like eyes and buttons to customize your stuffed animals. The best part of this business is that you can offer exclusive products, like stuffed animals with names, special colors, or unique characters. The demand is strong in toy stores, at personalized product fairs, and at events like birthday parties or themed celebrations. Stuffed animals are always a hit with both kids and adults, and this is a business that's easy to run from home. Sticker making machine. Custom stickers are incredibly popular, and with this machine, you can start producing them quickly and efficiently. For an investment of around $150, you can own your own machine to create stickers in various sizes, shapes, and designs. All you'll need is adhesive paper, inks, and a computer to create your designs. Stickers are perfect for decorating laptops, phones, cars, or even as promotional products for brands. The machine cuts and engraves the designs with precision, ensuring each sticker is high quality. You can sell them online, at local markets, or even directly to businesses that need custom stickers. This is a business with great potential, especially if you know how to create original designs that appeal to different audiences. Homemade sausage making machine. If you're a food lover and looking for a delicious business opportunity, this homemade sausage making machine is an ideal choice. With an investment of around $200 to $400, you can start producing fresh, mouth-watering sausages right from your home. This machine allows you to mix meat, spices, and other ingredients to create sausages in various sizes and flavors. You can offer traditional, spicy sausages, or even healthier options like chicken or veggie sausages. Selling can be straightforward. You can sell to restaurants, local markets, or directly within your community. Additionally, if you offer customized options like gourmet sausages, you could attract an even wider audience. A small investment for a business with tons of flavor and potential. Nail and screw making machine. If you're interested in a small industrial business, this screw making machine could be the perfect option. With an investment of around $980, you can start manufacturing screws in various sizes and measurements. This machine is ideal for businesses that need small, essential metal parts, such as repair shops, construction companies, or even furniture manufacturers. The process is straightforward. You'll only need materials like steel wire, and the machine handles cutting, shaping, and threading the screws. You can sell your products directly to local workshops or even offer them online to manufacturers who need custom screws. It's a highly profitable business, as construction is an ongoing need, and screws are used in nearly every project. Disposable diaper making machine. With this machine, you can manufacture disposable diapers right from the comfort of your home. For an investment of around $990, you can start producing high-quality diapers that are essential for any family with babies. The machine allows you to make diapers in various sizes and styles, using materials such as cotton, pulp, and absorbent gel. The demand for diapers is constant, making this business ideal for those seeking stability. You can offer your products to baby stores, hospitals, or even sell them directly to local families. Machine for making unique soft-serve ice cream. If you're a fan of ice cream and looking for a refreshing business, this machine is the perfect solution. With an investment of around $350, you can start making unique soft-serve ice cream at home, offering original flavors and combinations. The machine lets you make creamy, smooth ice cream using a variety of ingredients, such as fresh fruits, chocolate, or even vegan options. You can offer custom ice cream with toppings, sauces, or flavor mixes. This business is perfect for selling at parks, fairs, festivals, or even at private events like birthdays and weddings. Sales are direct and simple, and the demand for ice cream is always high, especially during the warm months. It's a business that allows you to satisfy your customers' cravings while enjoying the process. Noodle making machine. With an investment of around $180, this machine allows you to produce homemade noodles with professional quality results. Noodles are widely popular in cafes and at events, and you can offer different flavors and colors. Ideal for selling at local markets or gourmet stores, this business has high demand. You can even create a custom line with unique fillings and attractive packaging. It's an affordable investment for a profitable business, especially if you're passionate about baking or cooking and want to offer a delicate, delicious product that will captivate your customers. Belt making machine. With an investment of around $300 to $650, you can start making custom leather or fabric belts. These accessories are always in style and there's constant demand, whether in clothing stores or at local markets. You can offer belts in various styles, from casual to more formal, and even with custom designs like engravings or embroidery. The machine makes mass production easy and keeps costs low, giving you a great profit margin. Temporary tattoo making machine. If you're passionate about tattoo art but prefer working with temporary designs, this machine is an excellent choice. With an investment of around $150 to $300, you can start offering custom temporary tattoos. It's perfect for events, fairs, parties, or even as a unique gift option. Temporary tattoos are easy to apply and are extremely popular among younger people, as they can try designs without any commitment. This business has great potential, especially if you tap into the demand for events and celebrations. It's a fantastic way to make money with creativity and minimal risk. Can block making machine. This machine, priced at around $700, allows you to recycle aluminum cans and transform them into compact blocks for reuse. With the growing awareness around recycling, this business is perfect for those looking for an eco-friendly and profitable option. You can sell the aluminum blocks to recycling companies or use the material to create other products like decorations or furniture. The process is fairly simple, you just need the machine and used aluminum cans. With a constant demand for recyclable materials, this business has a high potential to be profitable. Spiral potato making machine. With this machine, you can create spiral fries, a popular snack at fairs, markets, and events. The investment is around $50 to $200, and the machine allows you to make fresh spiral fries with a unique presentation. You can sell them at mobile stands or at local events. The crispy taste and eye-catching presentation makes spiral fries irresistible to customers. Plus, you can offer different flavors, from savory to sweet. It's a fast food business with high demand and an affordable investment to start making money from home. Tire to rubber recycling machine. This machine, costing around $700 to $1,000, is used to convert old tires into recycled rubber. The process involves shredding the tires, separating the metal, and then processing the rubber to be reused in the manufacturing of new products. Recycled rubber has multiple applications, such as producing rubber flooring, construction materials, or even new tires. With this type of business, you can tap into the growing demand for eco-friendly and sustainable products. Additionally, tire recycling is a profitable and environmentally friendly option, with excellent acceptance in specialized markets. And there you have it. With these incredible machines, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Whether you're looking for a creative venture or an eco-friendly idea, the path to success is right at your fingertips. Don't hesitate to take that first step. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Together, we can keep growing, learning, and reaching new heights. Keep pushing forward, your next big business is waiting. I wish you a beautiful day as always, and I hope you have very good news. Goodbye.